Hello, in front of me I have Logitech G502 X Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sync with Windows 11 Dynamic Lightning Control. Okay, so first we have to open up the settings of our Windows. Now go into Personalization, go into Dynamic Lightning, and in here we just need to make sure that Use Dynamic Lightning on my devices feature is enabled, and same thing as we click on our mouse and select Use Dynamic Lightning on this device. Also in Logitech G HUB app, find your mouse, and in here we have the Dynamic Lightning for Windows feature, and make sure that it's enabled. When it says on, everything is now successfully turned on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.